with my school from Hyderabad. I am the son of the soil. I belongs to the family of Sikandar Jah Bahadur, the Nizam III. His name was Mir Akbar Ali Khan or Mir Akbar Ali Khan. I belongs to that family, a third, my schooling from All Saints High School, and my drawing teacher, I still remember he was Satnarayan Rao. He trained me, and in the college, I joined Architecture College of Government College of Government College of Architecture and Fine Arts at Gun Foundry in 1965. And I have joined Fine Arts also, apart from architecture. Before architecture, I was doing fine arts also. Experience of art and architecture, and due to that experience, and in Europe, I was called by the European critic architect. Architect, and I reached Hamburg, and from Hamburg, I started by car and reached Hyderabad in 1991 before to organize 400 years of Hyderabad heritage. Before I start that, I went to my ancestral land, which is Manikunda. It's our land, 1,040 acres of land. We are the real owners. I went to there first and sketched this temple. Manikunda has got 4 temples, which is 4,000 years old. 4,000 years. It is a rock temples. It is not the temples ordinary. It is a rock temple, and my experience shows it is 4,000 years old. Oh, this is the Hanuman. What is this? This is कौन सा है ये 19? This is Manikunda Maisamma. It has got 4 temples. This is the first, and this is the second. This is the Lord Hanuman, who helped Lord Ram to kill that terrorist of that time. And today I am finding our land grabbers are more dangerous than that Ravan. In our society, they are Ravans. One who destroyed our heritage, occupied and encroached, is the greatest crime, I put it. In both fourfold. The message is fourfold. First, to mobilize and bring awareness among the citizens of Hyderabad to protect their own monuments, which is the world famous monuments are there in our city. The city was built by Holio Qutub Shah. Hyderabad and Sikandrabad was founded by my great grandfather Sikandar Jah Bahadur, right? And the message, one is to awareness, the second is to create our students also, so that they can maintain also. We have to have maintenance also, conservation architects also, so that they can repair also and build some new monuments which must remain for another 400 years. I told my student not to follow the Taj Mahal 400 years back. Build one new Taj Mahal. The third is the greatest drawback in Hyderabad is the police are helping the land grabbers, and police is the main. They are helping them and occupying the various surroundings of, including they are inside the buildings also. So we have to protect from this land grabber. My main aim is, because I have experience, they have this MNR school people has entered my house, which is 1200 years of heritage building in Santosh Nagar, and still they are holding. They told that they have written that they have left the place, they had paid the amount and left the place, but still the police. So I demand that this, and one of the inspector has to be dismissed immediately, so that it will be a lesson for the others not to grab the land, particularly the heritage land. Heritage buildings are there, which are 400 years old also. And the third is to create our city on a world status, world heritage. So to create a world heritage status, and if we get the, you have to work hard to make the buildings according to the United Nations specification. That building has to have in between for 50 meters from the neighbors. Between the building and the neighbors had to be at least 50 meters. That had happened everywhere. It is happening. Particularly, the Spanish mosque has Begumpet. Recently, 2-3 years back, they dynamited the space in the neighborhood, only some 3 or 5 feet, and it has damaged the mosque, which is one of the best mosque in India. Is Spanish. It has broken down in cracks are there. So I want this. At least the inspector, Santosh Nagar, has to dismiss immediately and book them, and also bring the grabbers. They are so strong. They called me on a telephone and told me not to attend the court, and I have given them the phone numbers, everything, and still they are at large. These grabbers are so, they wanted to kill me and my family. See, these grabbers are so strong. They do not land of 1,440 acres of land, and we gave it 14 acres, 17 guntas to the temple, Manikunta temple, which is 4,000 years, as a gift. Nobody can take, because we have given our property to them. Another 250 we gave it to the people to live there, to cultivate. They were the soldier in the Nizam army. So we told them and gifted this property, 250. Now the government and the grabbers are trying to build these places. And the another on that I want to build a college of conservation. I do not want to take any inch to my house, or I do not need any house. The last house is up. I have to go out.